Hello and welcome. The Active Overlay Pane displays all active AR elements on your board, and there are several key features within this pane. Scrolling through displays the list of active nets, components, and layers. Users may hide, show, and clear individual overlays, and by right-clicking one or more, users may combine, separate, or rename groupings of overlays. Users can access the Layer Stack feature within this pane. Layer Stack displays the color associated with each layer as selected by the EDA. Users can also change the colors of the layers as needed. Color by Net mode allows users to individually choose the colors of nets regardless of their layer color. Users can access the color wheel by selecting the color selection box. Finally, from this pane, users may clear all overlays.